This week I'm testing the MG ZS EV, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is you can fit 3 infra-secure child seats in the back here, which is amazing. We've got the Attain More, the Achieve More, both rear facing, and the versatile folding booster seat in the middle. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Number 2 is the boot floor of the MG ZS EV drops down around 10 centimetres, giving you great extra storage space. And you can fit a twin pram in here too. Number 3 is being a fully electric EV, you've got all those great benefits for families. So you can sit while your kids are asleep in the back, just using the battery power alone. Also, this does about 320 kilometres to a full battery charge. So it's a really practical, usable amount for a family for a week with school drop-offs and commutes. I have loved driving the MG ZS EV this week with my family. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.